Wear comfortable clothing. When you go to your salt therapy session, wear loose, comfortable clothing. You want to be relaxed, not restricted. Most places give you covers to put on your shoes or feet. Some places may give you a covering for your clothes and a hairnet to help protect the integrity of the salt. Relax in the room. You start your salt therapy in the group salt room, which generally seats 5 to 10 people at a time. Most salt rooms have reclining chairs and soothing music. Some salt rooms may have magazines or books to read, and many will have testimonials for you to browse. Relax in a chair, close your eyes, and enjoy your mini escape from real life. Breathe in the salt. After you get settled, the dry aerosol will be released. You will breathe in the salt as you relax. The salt goes deep into your lungs and through your respiratory system, including your sinuses. Bring small electronics if you wish. You can bring iPods, MP3 players, iPads, and cell phones to most salt rooms. Make sure to place it somewhere it will be protected, like a case or pocket. Undergo salt therapy as often as you like. You can go to one session, a few, or buy yearly memberships for multiple visits per week. It depends on what you care to do. Depending on your condition, you might only need a few or weeks of treatment. Know the healing properties of salt. Salt has multiple healing properties. It is considered antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. It is believed to help reduce mucus and remove pollutants. Understand how salt therapy works. Salt therapy mimics what happens in natural salt caves. Walls and floors are covered with layers of salt, then a dry salt aerosol is released into the room. This creates an environment that is antibacterial and which has negative ions. Choose salt therapy for respiratory conditions. Salt therapy is a holistic treatment for many different conditions, most commonly respiratory conditions. It is believed to help improve lung function by removing toxins from the lungs and sinuses. It also helps with asthma, COPD, and allergies. Try salt therapy for skin conditions. Salt therapy is believed to help and relieve symptoms of skin conditions. These conditions include eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, and acne. Consider salt therapy for a health boost. Salt therapy may help strengthen your immune system. This can help keep you from catching a cold and the flu. Try salt therapy for better performance. Salt therapy is used to enhance performance of both athletes and vocal performers. Talk to coaches or a salt therapy center to decide if it would be right for you. Know when to avoid salt therapy. While salt therapy is safe for most people of any age, if you have certain conditions, you should stay away. You should never do salt therapy while intoxicated. Do not get salt therapy if you have. Be aware some centers prohibit smokers. Some salt therapy centers refuse to allow smokers into their rooms. This is mainly to protect the safety of people with respiratory issues, like asthma or COPD. Since most smokers will have smoked just before entering the building, or soon before arriving, the smoke remnants will still be on their person,